Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel for another DIY. Today I made a citrus body scrub. So I started off with a pestle and mortar, which was pretty much useless because the orange peel I had was already ground to its finest consistency. So I ended up just not even needing to use it and just tossed it in anyway. So I started off with some Epsom salt. I did everything by eye based off the size of my container, but I promise I'm going to start measuring it out for you guys just so you guys can have it a little bit easier. But then I added some Turbinado sugar. This is just what I had in my pantry, but you can use whatever you want. It made it a lot easier for me to mix it because I can see if everything was like even. But just use what you have. Any type of sugar will do. After mixing it up, I did add my orange peels. So orange peel is pretty much a tad thicker than the Epsom salt, which gives a good variety of grain for a body scrub. So it worked out perfectly. And then I added my essential oils. So I used 4 different types. I used a sweet orange oil and a regular orange oil. I used grapefruit and I used lime oil. And then I did a half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Lemon is a great preservative and it also brightens the skin. So that's why I added just a tiny bit of that. You don't want to add too much. Once that was all mixed, I added my coconut oil. You can do this based off how you like your scrubs. I like mine's pretty thick. Coconut oil and steam from your shower does a great job of locking in moisture into your skin. So you just want to get it to whatever consistency you like it. This is the consistency of how mine's turned out. You can see the different varieties of grain. I reused this container I had and I just scooped all of it in there. I usually just leave this in my shower and my bathroom. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. This is how it turned out. Like and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs. And, matter of fact, just click this next DIY video. See you later, guys. Bye.